Hey everybody, it's Evan with Genesis St. John's. If you're in the market for a pre-owned vehicle, I want to talk to you about why Genesis Certified is the right way to go. With every pre-owned Genesis vehicle, it goes through a rigorous inspection by our qualified Genesis technicians using only OEM parts. Every certified vehicle comes with an additional 6-year, 120,000 kilometer powertrain warranty with the option to upgrade to a 10-year, 200 comprehensive. Also included while purchasing a Genesis CPO, any remaining factory warranty will still be applied to the vehicle, along with the perks of Genesis, which include complimentary scheduled maintenance and valet service. While shopping for your next certified vehicle, come check us out at Genesis St. John's, 515 Kenmount Road, or online at genesisstjohns.ca.